Hello all, welcome to my channel. In today's video, we'll see one of the most interesting topics in Excel, which is speed cells option. We'll understand what is the use of this speed cells. Probably you have a set of data as a hard copy, maybe in a sheet of paper. And you have entered the same data in Excel and you want to cross-check whether you have entered the data correctly or not. And you might require someone to read out that particular data. Now, you don't require anybody in order to read out the data because Excel can read it for you. That's what we are going to look in today. Now, before we could start off, do not forget to subscribe to my channel and also click on the bell icon to receive further updates. Now, to start off with, this is my quick access toolbar. Next to that, you will have the drop down arrow. Just click on that and click on more commands option. And here you can see it is there as popular commands. Click on this drop down arrow and select it as all commands. Once you click on all commands, the commands appears. So just drag down in order to find out speed cells option. Just drag down, you should be able to find out speed cells option. And we're almost there. Now here, yes. So just select the speed cells option and click on add. Click on the speed cells, stop speaking cells, and then click on add and then give OK. Once I give OK, you can see in my quick access toolbar, I have speed cells and stop speed cells option. I haven't entered much of data in order to show you how exactly it works. So now I want Excel to read this particular data. So just click on the speed cells option.
78. Jenny. 98. Joel. 56.
And you can see automatically Excel has read out the data for me. And also make sure to place your cursor from where exactly Excel want to read your data. If I want Excel to read from here, just place the cursor over there and then click on the speed cells
Jenny.
option.
98. Joel. 56.
And in between, for example, I started off with speed cells option and you have huge set of data, and in between, if you want Excel to stop it, you can click on this stop speed cells option. So I'll just start off again.
Santosh. 88.
So
Praveen.
just click on to stop and you can see it has been stopped. Also, if you enter the data further, I'll just type the data and click on enter. You can see automatically Excel is reading out the values of the data for
98.
Okay, so this is the use of speed cells option. So hope this video has helped you. Do not forget to share and also click on the like button.